K. So the vowels, when you start with the vowels that we learned, let me repeat: A, E, O, A. I said A. This one is open A, and this one is closed A, and then this one is open A. So we say A for apple, E for egg, E for ink, O for orange, then A. Open A for umbrella, or for us, up. Then the sounds, we have sound A, we have sound A, and sound A we said we can just use apple. Apple, we always say an apple, apple. Then sound B. Sound B is boy, B. Sound B, boy. Then we have sound K for cat, K, cat. We have sound D for dog, D, dog, D, dog. Then we have sound A for egg, egg. We have sound fish, 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 farmer, farmer, fish. We have sound G, we can have girl, we can have goat, we can have go. So they sound G. We have sound you pronounce this as if you want to breathe. Sound hen, hat, heat, hot, hat. Hat, hen, heat, hot, hat. Sound E is for E. We say E. Sound E, this one. E. E. Sound E is for ink, in, eat, is. Sound J. J. J is for jug. J. Jug. J. Sound J. Jug, jet, jake, jog, jug. So sound J. Or we can say jump. Sound K, 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 K. Sound K. Don't say K, don't say K. Sound K is for kettle, 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 kite. Sound K. Then we have sound L, L. Sound L. Sound L is lamb, let, light, lot, limp. Sound L. Sound M, not M. Sound M, letter M. Sound man, man, mean. So sound Sound nap, net, neat, note, nut. Sound 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 O, sound O, sound O. So this one is the one that we say letter O, and also we say sound O. So the letter and the sound are similar or same. Sound O, of, off, on. Sound O, sound O. Pu, 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 pu. Sound pu, sound pu. This one is sound bu. This one is bu. This one is pu, 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 pu. Pu, sound pu. Like we can say pan, pan. Pet, 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 pet. my pet, like my pet is a cat. I like cats, so I can say the teacher's pet is the cats. So po, sound po. Pet, pat, pit, pot, put. Letter Q, but we say sound qui, sound qui, like we say queen, qui. We say letter Q, but the sound we say qui. Like we can say queen, we can say queen. I can say this one, qui, so I say queen. Queen. Quick. Queen. Quick. Quiet. Quick. Queen. Quick. R. We can say rat. Don't say R. We say R. S, we can say sun. We can say sun. T. This one is letter T, but the sound is T. So we say T, N, tent. Sound T. We can say 10, we can say tight, we can say top, so there are many. Then here we have open R, sound R. I can take a simple one and say A, P. I can also say A, S, sound R. Then the next one, we have sound V. The sound is the same, similar to the way we always start a car. Van. So we say van. Van. Then we have letter W, but we say sound et, wet. Wet. Sound wet, when, which, where, sound then sound x. So this one you can just say x. So we say wax. So this one is sound s. Like it's similar. This one we say s, but this one it will be wax. So this one is s, but this one is wax. Sun, wax. Then this one is letter Y, but we say E, sound E. Like I can say yellow. Sound E. You can also say simple one. We can say yet. Sound E. Then the last one, we say sound z. Letter Z, but sound z. So we say zip. Sound z. So we say zip. So this one are the sounds, but I can repeat. This one is A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, U, X, Y, Z. These ones are very, very important to build on how we are going to read the different words that we're going to come across. It is they are very, very important. Apart from these ones, apart from these sounds, we will also learn about other sounds. And these other sounds will be different. We will look at sound. We have another one called sound K. That will also teach you. We have sound sh. We have sound oo. We have sound brr. We have sound bl. We have sound so k, sh, u, d, dr, br, bl, sh. So there are so many. These ones are not even all of them, but we will do them step by step. So the first step we need to do is to master from here up to z. You need to know from a up to sound z. That is so much important. Then we just build on our reading slowly by slowly. By knowing this, you shall have known the foundation of how we can read different words, on how we can read or get to know how we can build on our sounds to form a word. So that one will be so easy. Thank you. If you have a question, you're highly welcomed.